Assalamu alaikum, grade 5s. So in the next part of numeric patterns, we are going to find the rule for a number pattern. So sometimes in the previous example, we had the input number and they gave us the rule and we had to find the output number. Now in this example, they gave us the input and the output and we have to identify what the rule is. So let's look at this example. A good first step for you to take is to take one number here. Take any one you want. I'm going to work with 1 because it's easier. And look at the color lines. So 1 and this unknown operation will give us 5. 5 plus 4 will then give us 9. Please look at the colors to see how it corresponds with each and every one of these numbers here, okay? So 1, 9, 5 and 9 go together, okay? So we are firstly going to say what do we do to 1 to get 5? We can say 1 plus 4. If we say 1 plus 4 gives us 5, that's fine, okay? So we're trying different things. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. But let's see if the same thing goes with number 3. If we say 3 plus 4, it does not give us 15. So plus 4 is not this unknown operation. Let's see something else. 1, what do we do to 1 to get 5? We can say 1 times 5. Let's try that one. So 1 times 5 is going to give us 5. And 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's try with the next one. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 4 is 19. So as you can see, times 5 works. Let's try with another example. 11 times 5 is 55. 55 plus 4 is 59. So can you see, times 5 is our unknown operation. We have solved it. Okay. Now with these examples here, when we are trying to find the rule, we can also do it backwards. And in order to do it backwards, we need to know what our inverse operations are. Okay? So the inverse of addition is subtraction and the inverse of multiplication is division. So we're just going to work backwards. So let's look at this example here. How do we get the input number from the output number? So let's look at the first example. The output number is 9. 9 minus 4 is going to give us 5. And 5 divided by 5 is going to give us 1. Okay, so remember the inverse of addition is subtraction and the inverse of multiplication is division. Okay, but you will only use the inverse when you are working backwards. Let's look at another example. 59. 59 minus 4 is 55 and 55 divided by 5 is 11. So there, when we work backwards to find the input number, we will use the inverse operation. Okay, you guys will complete this activity here for me, and that is all the work that you have for today. Okay, in this first example, you are going to identify the unknown rule here, and they already gave a division, so that should be simple for you. Okay, here you have to identify the unknown rule. They already told you that it's multiplication, so it should be simple for you. In this case, you have to find the rule for each one of these. So what do you do to the 1 to get 10? Remember, it can be a combination of 2 rules or 1 rule. Try your different options and see which one works for all of these input numbers. If you need any help, let me know. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.